Paano mag-gradually transition from employee to a small business owner? Answer, meron tayong 5 steps, friends. Follow nyo lang po ito. Medyo challenging but rewarding. Alright? So ano ito? Number 1, change your mindset. Yes, friends, importante po na yung mindset natin hindi employee. But i-change natin to a business owner mindset. So from that, open-minded ka to engage in business at hindi lang employee na 8 to 5 work. Ibahin natin ang mindset natin. Step number 2, read business books and be interested in entrepreneurship. Yan, importante yan. Marami kang alam muna, no? Before ka mag-engage sa business. Magbasa ka ng mga business books. Yung mga success story sa business. Marami yan. And I suggest, basa ka ng Robert Kiyosaki's books, yung Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Yan yung first book ko before ako nag-engage into business. Naiba talaga yung mindset ko. After this book na nabasa ko, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Step number 3, start to save money or apply for business loans. Yes, friends, yan yung ginawa ko din before. Nag-save ako ng money for savings purposes, for emergency fund, for reserve funds. At nag-apply din ako ng business loans sa bangko, Land Bank, BPI, and nag-apply din ako ng loan sa GSIS. Ayan, so yan yung source ko ng capital sa business. Step number 4, invest your money. Yes, importante yan, friends, na hindi lang i-save your money. Kasi if you save your money, bangko lang po yung nakinabang niyan. I-invest mo yan. So how to invest your money? Step number 5 yan. Start your small business. So before you start your small business, you need to have feasibility study and business plan. Importante yan. Know your environment, know your customers, know your products and services, organize your team, operational team. Kailangan meron kang admin, meron kang marketing, meron kang management team. Yan, importante yan, friends. Alright, so follow mo na itong 5 steps and you will gradually transition from employee to a small business owner like me. Alright, good luck to you and thank you for watching this video. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.